Meantime, from the NBA, let's go to the PBA. I was shocked when you broke me this news. Upset alert!
You got a winless team before this game, now getting their first win against none other than the defending champions of the last conference, right?
Exactly.
TNT Tropang Giga.
And with Rondé Hollis Jefferson, as she said, the Terra Firma Jeep are winless no more. I repeat, the Terra Firma Jeep are winless no more as they snap the TNT Tropang Giga's 6-game win streak to close out their run in the Commissioner's Cup. That's right, you heard me. Terra Firma saved the best performance for last year by stunning TNT 117-108. The Jeep were dead set on finishing their mid-season campaign on a high note, and they did it with impeccable outside shooting. Terra Firma entered the final quarter up by a whopping 29 points, which was enough to fend off TNT's last gasp rallies. Leading the Jeep's long bomb barrage was best player of the game. That man, former USC Tiger, former De La Salle Green Archer, Mark Nonoy. Terra Firma surprise rookie finished with 33 points, including 7 of 9 from long range. The Jeep officially exit the Commissioner's Cup with just 1 win and 11 defeats. The Tropang Giga, meanwhile, lose the top spot as they fall to 6 victories against 3 setbacks. At the post-game press con, Nonoy discussed his best performance in the PBA so far.
First, sobrang thankful ako sa coaches and then sa teammates ko. Kumbaga, ups and down yung team namin. We stick together sa practice namin. Kumbaga, yung iba nawawala na ng gana. Pero, kumbaga, may leader sa amin na last push na to yung last game namin. Yun nga, pinagkatiwalaan kami ng coaches and then nag-response din kami as a team. So, sobrang thankful ako kasi bago mag-end yung season, nakuha namin yung first win namin. Siguro na-inspired ako kay Jason Castro kasi first time namin maglaban eh. Kumbaga, since childhood ako, napapanood ko na siya eh. Grade school ako, high school. Kumbaga, isa siya sa PBA player na kumbaga, in-inspired ko yung sarili ko para sa kanya. Kumbaga, yun nga kanina, naging confident ako kasi gusto ko maging ma-challenge siya eh, kasi idol ko yun eh. Sobrang thankful ako kasi, yun nga, na-overcome ko din yung laro ko. Nakalaro naman ako ng maayos.